In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a custom download link using HostGator and Cloudflare. This process involves a few key steps, so make sure to follow along closely. By the end, you'll have a streamlined way for users to download files from your site with ease. Let's start by logging into your HostGator cPanel. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the cPanel login page for your HostGator account. You'll enter your login credentials here, which include your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a dashboard filled with various tools and options. But what we need today is the File Manager. Now, with File Manager open, you should be able to see the structure of your website directories. This is where you'll upload the file you want to share. Navigate to the public_HTML directory, as this is the root directory where your web files are stored and made accessible on the internet. If you prefer to keep things organized, you can create a subfolder within public_HTML and upload your file there. Simply click Upload, select the file from your computer, and let it complete the transfer. Once the upload is finished, take note of the file's URL. It should look something like this: yourdomain.com/folder/filename.ext. Keep this URL handy, we'll need it shortly. Next, let's shift gears a bit and log into your Cloudflare dashboard. Cloudflare is a fantastic service for managing DNS, enhancing security, and speeding up your site. After logging in, look for your domain within your Cloudflare account dashboard. Click on the domain and you'll be taken to a screen with various options specific to that domain. Among these options, find and select the Page Rules section. This feature allows you to control how Cloudflare handles requests to your website, which is crucial for our next task, creating a new page rule. Here we're setting up a redirect. The goal is to create a custom link that's more user-friendly, such as yourdomain.com/download, and have it redirect seamlessly to the actual file URL we noted earlier. In the Page Rules section, click on Create Page Rule. You'll enter your custom link in the designated field and specify the destination as the file URL. Once you've configured these details, save and deploy the page rule. Cloudflare will notify you when it's been successfully activated. To wrap things up, it's time to test the new setup. Open a new tab in your browser and enter the custom download link you created. If everything was done correctly, it should automatically redirect you to the file URL, starting the download process. Congratulations! You've just configured a custom download link using HostGator and Cloudflare. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tutorials like this one.